हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर न्यू चैनल स्टेनो वाले सर। मैं आपको डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करने जा रहा हूँ। बी रेडी फॉर इट। स्टार्ट। द रिटन वर्ड सीम्स necessary for the wide development of a people. Stop. With the written words, ideas can be passed on quickly and knowledge won by experience and hard work can be passed on to others who can then use the knowledge for their own purposes. Stop. At first, the written word could be used only by a few, as it was carefully and beautifully written by hand, and one copy only existed of each piece of writing. Stop. Now, however, thousands of copies of a book can be turned out in a very short time, and the thoughts and ideas of one man can be read by millions. Stop. This has its dangers, of course, as well as its advantages, for it may happen, and we have seen it happen, that a person with a powerful use of words can influence millions of people in the direction he desires. Stop. For words are powerful things. People are moved to action by words. They are moved to action by the ideas expressed in words. Stop. We know that in political life, the man who is most successful is generally the man with the power to speak well, to use words in a way that influences people to believe what he says. Stop. We know that in business, the best salesman is the one who can overcome his customers with words, who can make them believe that what he has to sell is better than what other people have to sell. Stop. The successful writer is not always the one who tells the best story, but the one who can best use words to express his ideas and the feelings of his character. Stop. Para. Nor are shorthand writers are any less dependent upon words. Stop. Shorthand writers depend upon words for their very existence as shorthand writers. For without words, there is no shorthand in the sense in which we understand it. Stop. Even the old picture writing was a form of shorthand, for one picture had to express quite a long story. Stop. The modern shorthand writer is like the successful story writer, the successful salesman, the successful man in political life. He depends for his success upon his knowledge of words and the use he makes of his knowledge. Stop. The successful shorthand writer must understand and be able to use a very great number of words, and he must know the words used in a very wide field of subjects. Stop. For the shorthand writer, life is indeed a matter of words, words, words. Stop.